Nope. We're in our snowstorm. We're in the snowstorm. Look how much snow we got last night. There's our porch. That's how much snow we got. From here to here. Look at all this. All the snow. But, so look, when it's so cold out and you want to play, because you got to, look, we put bags on our feet. Daddy's got them too. Bags on our feet. Look at that. That keeps your feet dry, as long as you don't keep snow in it. Keeps them warm. Keeps all that heat trapped in there. Look at all this snow. Yep.
Now this is my ski mask.
And he's got a ski mask on.
Well, now it's mine.
How deep this is. I don't know. We've got good 5-6 inches. It's cold. This is that winter storm that everyone's talking about. We're getting it right now. Let's go look at the road. Look at this. Yeah, it's coming down. It's snowing. Moo, stay over here. Look, here's the road. I know, we're in the road. Oh, there's a couple tracks. I don't know if you can see them. Look. Come on, Moo. Look at this. Got them bags on. How's your feet? All right. Come on, Moo. Look at this snow. It's deep. Oh, it's deep. It looks like it gets on my truck. Look how high it is up on my truck.
Let's go sliding down the driveway.
Alright, go sliding down the driveway.
I am gonna pick this up.